Let's learn LaTeX, MiniChapter 4. Today, let's see how to insert images or figures into your LaTeX document. It's time to say goodbye to the hassle of inserting images, resizing them, dragging them, aligning them, etc. in your Word document. Let's find out how.
To include a figure in LaTeX, we first have to include the package, and the package is called GraphicX. So use package within curly braces GraphicX. Next, for inserting a single figure, here we begin figure and within square brackets write HTBP, which stands for here, top, bottom or page of floats. So depending on the requirement, it will either insert the figure at the given place, that is here, or at the top of the page or the bottom of the page, or it would create a separate page of floats immediately after the text. Next, if you want the figure to be centered, use option centering, then include graphics, provide the width of the figure you want in your text. Here I have given 0.5 of the text width, and then include the file name which you want to upload. So before that, I'd like to remind you that you have to upload your image into the main LaTeX document folder and then include the image name here. Here you can provide your caption and followed by a figure label. Get to end it by the end figure option. Thereafter, simply recompile, and here you have your LaTeX figure inserted at the center of the page with the figure caption mentioned.
I hope this video was informative. In future, we will come up with more such tutorials on how to use LaTeX for document formatting. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.